Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another edition of Burping Contest, Just Burps. Now usually I start these videos off with just complete silence and text down below to kind of discuss the opening of the video, the introduction if you will. Well, today's a little bit different because I have a little bit more to say before we jump into Just Burps. Last week I uploaded the second episode of Just Burps that I've ever done. And I received a comment, and it was from one of my most tenured followers, Pedro. And I love Pedro. Pedro and I have a great relationship that we've conversated for several years now. Basically since I started this channel, Pedro has been following me and been extremely supportive of everything I've ever done. And he made this comment on last week's video, and I quote, "Guess that wasn't the best Burpicola. You've had better performances in the past, LOL." Now, Pedro, you are entitled to your opinion. And it's also good for me to hear these things because I'm back to make sure that I never have what anyone would consider a lackluster performance. So, I've jumped back into the big guns of Burpicola. So today's Burpicola is going to be good old Coca-Cola once again. However, it is the new Dream World limited edition zero sugar flavor. Now, it's literally flavored dream. Have with it what you will. I think I've had this once before. I think it kind of tastes like a mango or fruity Coca-Cola, but I can't really remember. Either way, Just Burps is going to be thunderous today. And I promise you that because if this doesn't do it, I have a second one to make sure that I perform. So, without further ado, you are here simply just for burps. So let's get right to it. I'm getting pretty full. Oof. Oh, man. I think I'm about tapped, kids. Ooh, that's a lot of carbonation. And I ate before this, so I'm pretty full. Alright, see if I can get one really good one out. That's what I'm gonna call it. subpar. But as you can see, there at the end, I'm not able to finish it because there's just so much carbonation in my stomach, and it's hard to, when my stomach fills up with air, it's hard to have the flexibility of it that I usually do when I start the video, when there's nothing in there. Whew. Plus, I'm now at about 30 ounces of Coke. So, and like on burping contest videos, I drink, I talk. I drink, I talk. I drink, I talk. I laugh. I'm expelling that oxygen. I'm expelling that air and giving my stomach time to rest. Where just burps is just me pounding carbonation and burping it back up. Pounding carbonation and burping it back up. So it's a little bit of a different scenario here. But let me know what you thought of how the dream flavored Coca-Cola performed today compared to last week's Rockstar energy drink. Anyways, hopefully you guys have enjoyed these last couple of weeks of burping content. Comment down below. Let me know if you like this kind of content, if you want more of this content. Again, comments, thumbs ups, they make a huge impact on my content. And also they show me that you guys are, enjoying it, supporting it, things like that. Just gives me an eye into the amount of people that are investing into my content that I'm creating, because it means the world to me. And I know that there's more talking in this one, but it is what it is. There's way more burps as well. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Again, comment down below, give me a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps the algorithm push my videos to other people. Also, It's All Knee merch is live. Check the comment section or the description down below for links to my merchandise. And as always, it is all knee and no foot. And this has been Burping Contest, Just Burps with It's All Knee. And we will see you in the next one.
Oh, hey. Video's not done yet, kids. Video's not done yet. Listen. I just dropped a brand new It's All Knee merch. And I need to make sure you guys check out the description below for all the details. There's a link. Grab your merch. We got hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got tank tops, we got stickers, there's hats, all sorts of stuff. New designs are gonna be coming throughout the upcoming months. So I wanna make sure you guys check that out. It's All Knee merch, available now. Don't miss it, kids. It's a great way to support me and my channel and upcoming content. So make sure you hit that description down below. Check out that comment section. Let me know what you'd like to see for future merch. Grab you some and let me know what you ordered. Okay, video's done. You can move on. I'm gonna go back inside.